everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the 90% off Easter haul. Now, I saw some people have their store have it 90% off yesterday, so I woke up and went to the store and everything was still ringing up at 70%. I ended up buying a doll. It was like a little Stella doll. I got her for $5.99. I thought that'd be a perfect gift to give her or to give to my daughter for Easter for next year. So I got that, but I left it upstairs, and then I got a couple different like Mighty Bean eggs. I did find one, so I'll show you guys that. And then I found one other thing that I bought. I felt like, oh, it's probably not going to be there tomorrow, or I have a feeling it's going to go back on sale on Sunday. So I'm like, I'm just going to get it. So what I did is this morning, I'm like, I have a hunch that that stuff's going to be 90% off. I think what they wanted to do is leave it at 70 on a Saturday, and they were good at leaving it at 70 because when I went there, my whole store had the 2 aisles plus the back aisle. And when I went there this morning, it was just to one aisle, and the back aisle was pretty much picked through. So they did have a lot of people buy a lot of stuff yesterday, but I don't like paying 70% on Easter stuff on seasonal. Now, usually I go crazy over things, but as you guys know, I've been trying to minimize on a lot of shopping, but I still cannot pass up 90%. But I also like to buy stuff that I'm going to use for the next year. That's how I buy all my seasonal stuff, is pretty much buying them for the next year, and I like to buy ahead of time. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got. One thing I noticed that out of me shopping at like pretty much all the stores that I've been shopping Easter clearance, nobody has plastic eggs. Like last year I went crazy over buying plastic eggs. I still have some. But this year I didn't hardly see any on clearance. I saw ones that have stuff filled in it, but otherwise no basic plain plastic eggs, which I'm fine with. But I have a pile of stuff, so I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Target. So I found this little outfit, and I saw this yesterday, and I really wanted it. And it was not the price I wanted to pay, because this is $9.99, and yesterday it was $2.99. And I'm like, nope, I don't want to spend $2.99 on an outfit. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to put it back, and we'll see what happens from there. So guess what? Today, they had one hidden. I always shop the kids section first, like the infant section, and I shop the end caps, and I just kind of walk around because you never know what you're going to find. And here I just saw something just laying right there, and it was this little outfit, and I love the tutu on it, so I got this for 99 cents. Now, this is a newborn, which is fine because this is the outfit I think I'm going to take her home in. I already had one outfit planned, but I'm like, it has a tutu. Like, oh my gosh. So I thought this is a cute little outfit, and I cannot go wrong for 99 cents. Now, Ben doesn't really have an actual Easter basket. Like, I have some cheap ones that I bought at Walgreens last year, and they're cheap. Like, they're already falling apart. And I'm like, I want a decent Easter basket, and it'd be kind of cool for the kids to have matching Easter baskets. So I found this one. This is a Spritz brand. This was originally $10, and I got it for $1. You know, and I thought this would be a good Easter basket for Ben. So I ended up getting, I actually got different ones, and the reason is I have one Easter basket for him, for his goodies, and then I have one for when he goes and finds eggs. I thought it'd be a little bit easier having like 2 baskets so he doesn't dump everything out. But I thought this is a good, sturdy Easter basket. I thought these would be great for the kids to have, and they're all matching. So I'll show you guys the rest of those when I get to it. Here's another one I thought Ben could use. It's a little girly, but I thought, you know what? For $1, you can't go wrong. So I got this one. And then I found this color game. And then there's that one for $1. But then I did find this like color pillow game. Sorry, I'm sick. I'm just getting over a cold. But it's called a Roll a Rainbow color sorting game, where you just roll it and then you find cards that match it. This was originally $3, and I got it for 30 cents. I thought this would be a good game. Ben could play this right now, but he's pretty much got it down pat. But I thought this would be a good game to play with her when she gets a little bit older. So I thought for 30 cents, yes, I will get a game. And they had a couple dollar things on there. And then while I was scanning some other items, a lot of stuff was not on file. And I'm like, don't want to deal with the not on file stuff. I know it'll ring up at the registers, but just didn't want to deal with any of that stuff. So some of that stuff I'm like, nah. The next thing I was super excited about, because I was eyeing this up yesterday, and I'm like, I just don't want to pay the price for it. This thing was originally $19.99, so I got this for $1.99, and it's just a bunny activity toy. What I think is it's got On one side, it's just got the beads that just go like that. And then on the other side, you got some sorting blocks for that. So I got this for $1.99. I thought that is an awesome price. This could be something I could give her for Easter next year, for Easter, or just give her a birthday, or give it to her for her birthday or something, because her birthday's going to be super close to Easter anyways. But I thought this is a cute gift to give to my daughter for that. And then I found this, and this is what I was eyeing up, and I'm so glad I found one hidden. This is a garden play mat, so it's just a regular circle mat that they can just play on. This was $39.99. I know, $39.99. So I got this for $3.99. I thought that was a perfect, cute little thing for her to play on. So yeah, it's just like a little mat for her to lay on, and I thought that is cute for that price. I got more goodies, more goodies. Ben and Graham have already been through here. He's like, oh, I want that, I want that. And I'm like, you can wait, you can wait. So I ended up getting some Pez dispensers. Ben loves Pez dispensers. And these were ringing up. I think their candy was even ringing up at 90% off, because usually it's never that cheap, but I'm like, whatever. So I saw all four Pez dispensers. I ended up getting all four of them, the lamb also, but Ben took it from me, which is fine, but he likes Pez dispensers. He plays with them as a toy, and I'm like, that is fine. So these were each 19 cents. So I'm like, you can't go wrong for 19-cent Pez dispensers. So he was super excited about that. I got these Reese's eggs. There's a 4-pack of them. I think these were 31 cents a piece. Yeah, these were 31 cents for 4 eggs. I thought that was a pretty good deal, so I got that. Another thing to do is check around the price checker area. There's 2 of them like right there, and people just stack stuff if they don't want it. So you could probably find some good deals. Like I found this deal over by the price checker. Now this is, I've seen this, Ben watches these things on YouTube, but this is like a rock that you like dig to find certain things in it. I've seen it. It's kind of interesting. But this was 49 cents it was ringing up as, because I'm assuming it was an Easter thing. So I thought, you know what, for 49 cents, I'll try it. So got this like little thing that you like dig in, and then there's rocks or something in it. I'm like, it'd be a good activity for them. Had to get Robin's eggs. I love Robin's eggs. These were ringing up 10 cents a piece. So I just grabbed a bunch of them because, you know, can't go wrong with 10 cents a piece. So I got a bunch of those. I got another basket. Now this is for her. It's just a pink basket for $1. And then I ended up finding this Silly Putty. It's like a giant Silly Putty egg. This one was 49 cents. So I thought Ben can play with it. He's into slime and all that stuff, but for 49 cents, can't go wrong. Now he's also into Mighty Beans. Now I saw these a couple weeks ago for $1.48, and I bought some for his Easter basket. But then I looked, and they marked these down since yesterday. They marked these down to $1.05, and there's 2 of them in here. So I thought for $1.05, I think that's a pretty good deal, because they originally want these for $3. So I got these for him. We're going to start a chore chart for him, where if he's a good boy, he gets something off the chart. So can't go wrong with stuff like that. Here is the 4th Easter basket that I got. I thought this was super cute. And I thought, you know, this is something I could use again for $1. So I thought each kid has 2 Easter baskets. One's to find eggs and one's for their goodies. So it's good to have matching ones. And I thought I'm just going to get some pink grass for her Easter basket next year, because these were 15 cents. They're like $1.50, so I got them for 15 cents. Then I found one bib that said My First Easter. This was 39 cents. I love it. Can't go wrong with bibs. You know, you don't have to use them just for Easter. You can use them all year long. So I'm like, that is perfect. So I got some of that stuff. Then I got more, you guys. I found this little headband. This is by the Scootsy brand, but it's like a little headband, you know, for little girls that have that. I thought that'd be cute for her to wear. This I got for, what did I get this for? I got this for 59 cents. I thought that'd be kind of cute, and she could wear this when she gets older. So 59 cents for a little hair bow. So I also went to a different store because I have two stores that are like 5 minutes with each other. And one store has some good stuff and one store doesn't have any good stuff. So I'm like, you never know what you're going to find. You never know what you're going to find. But the store that I usually never find a lot of good stuff is, I did find some decent stuff. But I know everything in this bag is something that I got from that store. But as you guys see, I found more of those outfits. Yes, you can laugh at me all you want. But this one's a 3-month, or this one's a 9-month, and this one is a 3-month. So I thought she could wear one when she goes to the hospital. She could wear one all summer long, and then she could wear one, you know, later on. I thought, these are too cute. And the thing is, what I love about buying clothes off-season is when I sell them, I can sell for $1 and I'll get my money back. So I had to buy 3 outfits. I know, I'm weird, but I had to buy 3 outfits. I saw this one, like, there's something that somebody was, like, hiding, and I'm just like, what the heck is that? And I'm like, I'll look at it. So here's one of those, another Manhattan Toys, something you can, like, put right on your crib or something. But this was $15.99. It's like a little musical box. But it's like a little rabbit, and then it's got flowers and stuff in it. But I thought for 59 cents for a little musical thing, that is super cute. And it kind of goes good with her Alice in Wonderland theme, because we do have a white rabbit. So, got that. Sorry. Then I ended up getting this egg. I don't even know how much this egg was. How much was this egg? I don't know how much the egg was. I think the egg was... Where the heck is it? You guys, I think it was like... Oh, it's 29 cents. I paid 29 cents for this. This has Nerds, Laffy Taffy, and Runts in it. I thought this is cute for me to eat. And I can save the egg to put some goodies in it or something. But I'm like, 29 cents. Hello. I got Cadbury eggs because I'm just craving the Cadbury eggs. Now this is a 4-pack. I told my mom about this and she's like, well, why didn't you get me any? And I'm like, well, by the time I see you, there won't be any. So, but then again, 31 cents for Cadbury eggs. I could not go wrong with that. Ben is obsessed with SpongeBob lately. So I saw these books and I'm like, is this even this price? So I went to scan it and this book rung out as 29 cents. So I thought this is a cute little book to read to him. I mean, it's SpongeBob and he's been into reading books a lot lately. So I thought this is a cute little book for 29 cents. You cannot go wrong. So I definitely got the SpongeBob book. And then I was looking for the Mighty Beans. Like yesterday I bought like 5 of these. These were 89 cents yesterday. But I found one hidden with all the other egg candy. And so I scanned it and it was 29 cents today. So I'm like, 29 cents for a 2-pack of Mighty Beans. Yes, I'll take it. So this is going to go in his little good deed box. If he starts picking up stuff, he'll get some prizes. So wanted to show you guys on that. I found this basket. Now, this was... God, how much was this basket? This was $1.99. So they originally wanted $19.99 for this basket. I'm like, that is crazy. But I thought, you know what, this is super cute for $1.99. I mean, you got a little basket, which is perfect for if somebody's having a baby. I know I'm going to a lot of baby showers. And then it had like a carrot. It has an egg. It says it's 8 pieces. So inside, it's got a bunny beanie. So it's got a little bunny hat in it. A plush carrot, a chick plush, an egg plush that's a rattle, a bunny teether, and a basket. So there's like a little teether in there. But I thought for $1.99, I thought this was pretty great to give to her. And it comes with like a good basket to give for a baby shower gift. So I got that for my daughter. My cat is right by my side. She's always got to be near my side all the time. All the time. Okay, so this is my last basket. But what I always do is I always buy the egg dyeing kits the year before. Because why? Why should I pay regular price for this? So this was $3 and I got it for 30 cents. And then I ended up getting the cups. I thought we can use these for next year. For 30 cents, for 60 cents for both of these, I think is a pretty good deal. And that was it for the 90% off. And then I just found this like fitted bed sheet for this like teal color. This was on clearance for like $6 something. I thought, you know what, I'll get this for $6 something because I needed more fitted bed sheets. So I thought that is super cute. But yeah, that was my haul. Out of 2 stores, one store it came to $25.60. And then another store it came to $7.65. So I mean, I got all that stuff. I think it's a pretty good deal. I really wanted to get some Easter outfits, so I definitely got some Easter outfits for her. Kids are set on Easter baskets, and why not? I got some Cadbury eggs for me to fit my cravings. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you guys check your stores. Some stores still might be changing prices, but just check it anyways. I'm going to another Target again later tonight. We're going to be near one. I'm going to see if the husband maybe wants to walk in and see if I can find any other goodies. But other than that, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all next time for another Target haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.